Stand up.
Stand up. What do you got in there?
Ooh, what you got? You want to help? All right, let me help you with it. Aunt Cindy did an awesome job.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's see. Look at our other
Okay, Maddie, let her open it. It's her present,
I
okay?
got a little teeny tiny present. Let's see what Jimmy you got in there. It's
Ooh.
Elmo?
You can throw all the stuff on the floor, baby. Mommy will clean it up afterwards. What is it?
Let me see. Jimmy.
Ooh, that's awesome. It's a jewelry box that you get to decorate all by yourself. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
That's
big
awesome.
one. That's good. What?
Mm-hmm. Yep. Mommy's probably going to have to help you with that one, Lily. Hold on a second. Here, Maddie, hold the phone.
Oh.
Don't push anything. Just hold the phone.
Ugh.
Don't push anything.
Oh.
All right, hold on.
Heavy. Probably get it out.
All right, here. Here's that.
Mommy? What?
Maddie, just hold it up. My goodness. Uh-oh.
I can make these.
What is it?
An ice cream
It's
thing.
an ice cream maker? That is awesome. We can make ice cream. That is so cool. Oh my goodness. It's delicious.
You want me to make one?
Oh, that is so cool. Check that out.
Ice cream has an air.
Yeah? All right. Where'd that other thing go?
You have to put them down here.
Oh, okay, there you go.
Open it.
You want me to help you?
No. Show me you got
Over
in
here.
there. Show me you got in there. Ooh, I got Snow White. Is this my DVD?
Oh, it is!
She bought me it now.
Yeah! Aunt Cindy got you Snow White. Isn't that awesome? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, hold on. We still got more stuff. We got Lily. You got some chocolates for Valentine's Day for Aunt Cindy. Momo, you got chocolates too. And one more thing.
Yeah.
All right.
That's
there you
Snow
go.
White.
Yeah, that's hers. I'm assuming it's hers.
And she's gonna open it.
Yeah.
Let's see what this is.
What is
Frozen.
it? It's something frozen.
Let's see if it snows. Okay.
Oh, that's awesome. It's a matching game. You get to match the cards together. It's just test your memory. See how good it is.
Yeah. Mom,
Well, that is so cool. Okay, hold on. Let's.
Mom, can I open something?
Yeah, hold on a second. Let's read your card from Aunt Cindy, okay?
And my
Hold on,
card,
here.
too.
Hold on. Okay. It says, hey, what are these 5 candles? There must be some mistake. You can't be
1,
old enough to
2,
have
3,
that many
4,
on your
5.
cake. Yeah. Oh, look. You get a sticker. But wait, you've learned a lot of stuff and look how big you are. It must be true you're really 5. Well, you deserve a star.
Mine.
It is hers, Maddie. It's Lily's this is from Chloe.
Wow.
It's from Chloe. Open it up.
That's mine. I got these stickers too.
Yeah, it says 5 is dazzling.
That
A birthday
was
girl
mine.
needs something fun to dazzle up her day
That was
with something
mine.
bright and sparkling to peel and stick and play with. Hope these princess stickers make the perfect decoration and may you have a very happy birthday celebration.
Look. I
Oh,
know.
look. And you
Mom,
can put your
can I-
stickers here. Look.
Can I watch
See?
the light?
Did you see who that's from? Who's that from? Whose name is that right there? Whose name is that? Do you know? Your cousin?
Her name's, is that Chloe?
Yeah, that's Chloe. She drew that for you.
She did.
Yeah, and she got you this card, and her and Aunt Cindy got you everything. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Do you love everything?
Me
All right,
too.
say I love you.
I love you.
Look at the camera. All right.